Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video is we are diving into how to use time tracking on Monday.com. So either you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or simply trying to boost your productivity, this website is very good for time tracking tool. So of course, the first thing you need to do here is to, of course, go to this website, which is the Monday.com. So let's set up the time tracking column in Monday.com. So here, as you can see here, you just need to go to any board where you want to track time. So here, for example, to that is this one. And then the first thing you need to see here is you need to find and click to add column here. And then after that one is you just need to search for the time tracking. So you just need to type on that one and then select it. And then after that one, you will now have a time tracking column on your board. So as you can see here, this needs to upgrade your plan, but don't worry guys, you can use this try and time tracking column for free, but it's only good for 14 days. So once the time tracking column is as added, as you can see here, let's start tracking time. So for example, that one is you just need to click on the play button next to any task to begin on tracking. So you will notice the timer starts running, and then after that one, when you're done, you just hit the pause button to stop the timer. So here, Monday.com automatically save the time for that session. So this is great. And then after that one, you are now good to go. Then from here, you can customize your time report to display the data you need. So that's it guys, and thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.